Supreme God, thank you, my spiritual teachers, thank you, all the spiritual teachers, thank you, all the holy, great, divine deities, thank you for the blessings, for guidance, help, healing, and protection. We thank you for abundance and prosperity. We thank you for truest virtuousness, truest righteousness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. ओम महालक्ष्मय विद्महे विष्णुप्रियाय धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् 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 It is in giving that we receive. As we sow abundantly, we reap abundantly. This is the divine law. As I give and share generously and abundantly, my life is blessed with great financial and material prosperity. Money flows to me easily, constantly, and in great abundance. All the goodness, all the money, all the abundance, all the prosperity I invest comes back to me many, many times. My life is blessed with infinite abundance, infinite prosperity, infinite success. I am blessed with tremendous, infinitely multiplied prosperity, and I am living a life of truest virtuousness, truest righteousness, utmost moderation, truest discipline, and perfect spirituality. I am super healthy, super happy, super lucky. I am completely, happily enjoying every moment of my life. May every person, every being, every Atma be blessed with good health, unbound happiness, unbound vitality, great longevity to do good karma, infinite prosperity, infinite abundance, prosperous abundance, and abundant prosperity with utmost spirituality, truest righteousness, truest virtuousness for perpetuality. Every person, every being is prosperous, rich, healthy, wealthy, happy, successful perpetually, and blessed with infinite light, infinite love, infinite power. So be it. With thanks and in full faith, so be it. With thanks and in full faith, so be it. With thanks and in full faith, with all the gratitude, all the respect, all the reverence, all the love, all the faith, all the devotion at the golden holy lotus feet of the Supreme God, my spiritual teachers, all the spiritual teachers, all the holy, great, divine deities, with all the gratitude, all the respect, all the reverence, all the faith, all the love, all the devotion, perpetually to God, to my spiritual teachers, to all the spiritual teachers, to all the holy, great, divine deities, with thanks and in full faith. ओम महालक्ष्मय विद्महे विष्णुप्रियाय धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् 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 ओम महालक्ष्माय विद्महे विष्णुप्रियाय धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। 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 To the divine supreme God, thank you. My spiritual teachers, thank you. All the spiritual teachers, thank you. All the holy great divine deities, thank you for all the blessings. Thank you for all the divine energies. Thank you for all the guidance, all the help, all the support, all the protection. With deepest infinite gratitude, infinite respect, infinite reverence, infinite love, infinite faith, infinite devotion perpetually. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Om Mani Padme Hum.